Hey guys, previously I did a video review about this ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO AV on some of its key features. But today, I'm going to have a challenge highlighting its OZMO Pro mopping system, which removes stubborn stains up to 5 times efficiency of a person. So let's start this challenge to test out 5 of the most common stubborn stains in your household. Let's go.
OZMO Pro reservoir installed.
First off, let's create some stain in the kitchen. Simply just draw a box in the phone application and direct the vacuum robot to clean a specific zone. Ketchup, sauces are pretty common stubborn stain. Then let's try out stain number 2, which is laundry detergents or softener. Another common stain in your bathroom are like those skincare products such as your cream and lotion. And coffee stain is another tough stain to clean. I left the coffee stain to dry up on purpose so that it's much harder to clean. What about the dirt beneath your shoe, especially during rainy days? Well, there you go. With the OZMO Pro mopping system, it can tackle all these stubborn stains without any problem. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.